Arithmetic progression. Chapter 3 of paper first. अंकगणितीय श्रेणी. Sequence. A set of numbers whether the numbers are arranged in a definite order like the natural numbers is called a sequence. Sequence म्हणजे क्रम. जे काही दिलेले नंबर्स आहेत ते एका स्पेसिफिक ऑर्डरने अरेंज केलेले असतील तर त्याला आपण सिक्वेन्स असं म्हणतो. Terms in a sequence. The various numbers occurring in pattern of numbers are called its terms. In a sequence, order terms are represented as T1, T2, T3 and so on Tn. In general, sequence is written as in curly bracket Tn. Terms in sequence म्हणजे त्या सिक्वेन्समध्ये ज्या दिलेल्या टर्म्स आहेत ती पहिली टर्म म्हणजे T1, दुसरी टर्म म्हणजे T2 अँड अशा प्रकारे पुढे कंटिन्यू करायचं. आता पान नंबर 56 वरची ॲक्टिव्हिटी पहिली बघा. सम सिक्वेन्सेस आर गिवन बिलो शो द पोझिशन ऑफ द टर्म T1, T2, T3. इथे तुम्हाला काही सिक्वेन्स दिलेले आहेत आणि त्यातल्या टर्म्सच्या पोझिशन सांगायचे. फर्स्ट 9, 15, 21, 27. So here T1 is 9, T2 is 15, T3 is 21 and so on. Another example 7, 7, 7 and so on. T1 is 7, T2 is 7, T3 is 7. Here we see all the terms are 7 means it is a constant term. Then activity second. Another activity 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. When we see this example, we see that there is some rule in that sequence. Here next term is obtained by adding 3 to previous number. So 1 plus 3 which is 4, 4 plus 3 which is 7, 7 plus 3 which is 10. इथे बघितलं तर प्रत्येक टर्ममध्ये ते 3 मिळवल्यानंतर तुम्हाला पुढची टर्म मिळते. Then another example 6, 12, 18, 24. 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, so on. So here we obtain next term by adding 6 to previous number. Then arithmetic progression AP. It is a pattern of numbers in which the first term is given and succeeding term differs from its preceding term by a fixed number. This fixed number is called a common difference of the arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression म्हणजे अंकगणितीय श्रेणी. हा एक नंबरचा पॅटर्न असतो. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिली टर्म तुम्हाला दिलेली असते आणि त्याच्यामधला कॉमन डिफरन्स जो आहे तो दिलेला असतो. त्यामुळे तुम्ही प्रत्येक वेळी नवीन टर्म मिळवू शकता. In an AP, we usually denote the first term by A and common difference by small d and nth term by Tn. So common difference d is equal to Tn minus 1. दोन लागोपाठच्या नंबरमधला जर डिफरन्स घेतला तर तुम्हाला तिथे कॉमन डिफरन्स जो काय असेल तो लक्षात येतो. If the first term is A and common difference is D, then AP can be written as A, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Now see the page number 61 and example is write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. फर्स्ट टर्म ए दिलेली आहे, कॉमन डिफरन्स डी दिलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यावरनं तुम्हाला ए पी लिहायचा आहे. सो ए इज 10, डी इज 5. सो ए पी इज 10, 10 प्लस 5, 15 प्लस 5, 20 प्लस 5. हे आपण वेगळ्या प्रकारे पण लिहू शकतो. वी कॅन राईट इट ॲज 10, 15, 20, 25. Then another example, A is equal to 6, D is equal to minus 3. Here common difference is minus 3. So we can write AP as first term A which is 6, then 6 plus bracket minus 3, then third term is 3 plus minus 3, fourth term is 0 plus minus 3, and so on. Or we can also write as 6 minus 3, 0 minus 6, and so on. Here we find nth term of an FP. जर एखाद्या अरिथमॅटिक प्रोग्रेशन दिलेलं असेल आणि तुम्हाला काही ठराविक नंबरची टर्म्स काढायची असेल तर तुम्ही ती काढू शकता. इन द FP T1, T2, T3 and so on, the first term is A, common difference is D. Then T1 is equal to A, T2 is equal to T1 plus D, T3 is equal to T2 plus D, T4 is equal to T3 plus D. That is, we get Tn is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. To find out that nth term, we see now the example, page number 66. Here example is, decide whether following sequence is an AP. If so, find the 20th term of the progression. एक खाली सिक्वेन्स दिलेला आहे. तो सिक्वेन्स जर आहे तो अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन असेल तर आपल्याला त्याची 20 नंबरची टर्म काढायची. So minus 12, minus 5, 2, 9, 16, 23, 30 and so on is the AP. Here solution is A is equal to minus 12, which is the first term. T1 is equal to A, which is minus 12. T2 is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, means n is equal to 2. So it is A plus 2 minus 1 into D. 2 minus 1 means 1. So A plus D. So it is minus 5. T3 is 2. T4 is 60. Here we find out difference D as T2 minus T1. So it is minus 5 minus minus 12, which is equal to minus 5 plus 12, which is equal to 7. By using that nth term formula, we find the 20th term. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to minus 12 plus n minus 1 into 7, which is equal to minus 12 plus 7n minus 7. So Tn is equal to 7n minus 19. Here n is equal to 20. So put value of n, which is 20. So we get 20th term T20 as 7 into 20 minus 19. So it is 140 minus 19. Therefore T20 is equal to 121.